Hey guys, welcome back to another Sparkle Adventure. Today I literally just received this package from the Fairytale Club. This contains the Magical and Mischievous collection, all about Halloween, and I'm so excited to open this up and kind of go through it and see what's in here. I have some Halloween crafts I need to knock out and send out to people, and I have been waiting on this to get here so that I could start on those crafts. So I thought it'd be really fun for me to open this up with you, and we can kind of go through it and see it together. So while I open this up, I'll start by saying the Fairytale Club is a scrapbook kit collection or subscription. Oh my gosh, look how cute it already is. So obviously while I don't do scrapbooking, let me make sure I got everything. Yeah, everything out. I do planning and paper crafting. This stuff can all be totally used for all that stuff, for all those paper crafts, like I said, even though I don't do scrapbooking. I can already see such fun goodies. Let's open this up. And we'll start at the top and kind of work our way down. What do we have here? Ooh, look at how cute. Let's open it. These are pom-pom paper clips. Ah, they even come on like colored paper clips. That is so cute and puffy. I love it. And I love these colors. I love that they included pink, obviously, because pink's my favorite, and I'm not all about like the kind of dark side of Halloween. I like the cutesiness of it, which is why I think this kit is going to be perfect for crafting with, especially for me, because it will have those cute elements in it. Okay, so this is the die cut shapes ephemera pack, and luckily this collection does this on the back, which I love. There are other collections and subscription kits where you get ephemera, but you have no idea what you received. So but when I store my ephemera, I keep this and I mark stuff off as I use it. So when I go to grab this collection, I know exactly what I have in my inventory. So we have, I love that leaf. We've got a trick-or-treat little basket with candy in it. I like the girl and the cat. Oh, this is so cute. I love that it's got some of the traditional stuff, like it still has witches, but it's like a cute take on that traditional Halloween look. Okay, so we also have, ooh, die cut silver foil ephemera pack. Oh, and by the way, this candle in the back right here, it smells so good. It's from Target, of course. It's cinnamon pumpkin muffin. I don't usually like muffin and like sweet baked treat smelling things, but this one is so good. Okay, anyway, back to the foil. Looks like it's words, and we do have some actual like ephemera pieces. I thought it was all words in here, but okay, so it says magic is real. Happy scary Halloween. That's cute. Spooky, trick or treat, hocus pocus, October. Oh yeah, those are fun. And then we have these buttons. They're not actual buttons, they're flare. When I got my first order from the Fairytale Club, I thought that these were buttons that you would put on, like, I don't know, a denim jacket, but they don't actually have the piece on the back, which I love because it's so easy to turn these into really cute paper clips. You just hot glue a paper clip on the back and maybe put like a piece of felt over it to cover the paper clip part, and voila, you've got a cute paper clip. And these work well on greeting cards, flip books, and other things also, but it's just a super quick, cute paperclip project. So I love the flare buttons. Alright, now these envelopes, I don't know what's in them, but I'm excited to see. Okay. There we go. Oh, it's I think these are called the A5 papers. They're like dashboards. Let me see how big they are. So this is 8 1/4 inches tall by 6 inches wide. I love these because they're double-sided. Usually it's got like something on the front to a big element, and then the back is a pattern. Oh, I love this. They've used this pattern in a previous collection, and it was my favorite. It's like lined, looks like school paper. Best day ever. Ooh, I love that. That's really pretty. Magic is something you make. I love that. I might put that over my desk and keep that. I really like that. And then we've got black cats on the back. Something wicked this way comes. Ooh, that's pretty. Something else I love about the Fairytale Club is that it's got a real like mod look to it when it comes to some of these patterns. Haunted and adorable house. How cute. And then we've got just stripes on the back. It's like a kind of a teal stripe We have this one. It's got Hocus Pocus. How cute is that witch? It reminds me of Bewitched. It's not like a spooky, scary witch. It's like a cute, trendy witch. Ooh, a pink spider web. I don't know if I've seen pink spider webbing before. I love that. I wonder if I could like cut it down into strips and use it like washi, but then I love this on the other side. See, that's the downside of double-sided papers when you love them both. Double, double, toil and trouble, fire, burn, and cauldron bubble. That's so cute. And then we've got, ooh, a really pretty black and white floral. Hello, October. Oh, I love that. October is my favorite month of the whole year. And then we've got, ooh, a purple patterned paper, or lined paper. It's just like the other one, except for this has purple instead of white. And then we've got, look at how cute that cat is with the eyelashes and the bow. That's adorable. That's so cute. And I like the 2 pattern background. How cool is that? Oh, that's so pretty. It's simple, but like so pretty. With stars. Magic is real. It lives inside all of us, and its light shines brightest in times of wonder, love, and creativity. That's so magical. Like, I don't even want to, I want to keep this in again. Like, put this over my desk or something. Oh, that's so cute. Ooh. Oh, I'm definitely putting this on my desk now. But I want to be able to flip it. I don't know what I can do with it because I love both sides. I've actually been wanting a wall calendar to put up. It was on my to-do list for this week, is get a wall calendar. So this is going to be perfect. It's going to go right above my desk right there. Trick or treat. And then again, we've got the little trick-or-treating basket with candy in it. And then on the back, ooh, we've got that lined paper again, but this one is pink. Let me go back to the other one. Yeah, so here's purple and here's pink. They're definitely different, but I love the variety of those because again, this is my favorite pattern, so I'm so happy to have it in 3 different colors. So those are those pages, those dashboards. Oh God, I love that so freaking much. It's going to be hard to use this up to craft with because like I want to hoard it, and I'm not a hoarder. I love to use stuff. And then it looks like it's mini versions of the bigger ones. Let's see, best day ever. Yep. Hello October. And I love the variety. So this size is, here's my ruler. This one is smaller. This one is, looks like just over 7¼ inches tall by 4¼ inches wide. So this would make actually a really great dashboard in my current planner, which is about that size. So I'll just go through these quickly because we've pretty much already seen them. Yeah, these are just smaller versions of some of those bigger ones that we just saw. So there's those. Ooh, silver foil, and it's acetate, which makes really cool stuff. I love using acetate in my planner. Yeah. Oh, give it to me. Look at how pretty that is. I love that. But you know what? It's not, I don't know if it's considered acetate because usually acetate is thicker, I think. This is thinner, but I think I might like that better. Anyway, look at how pretty that foiling is. I love that. And then we get to the 12 by 12 scrapbook size pages. Look at how cute. Let me come in really close so you can see her. Come on, camera, focus. Oh, it's not focusing very well. But I love the stars and the witch on the moon. Oh, that's so cute. I'll go through all of these this way, then I'll flip them over and we'll see the other side. Here's purple. See, again, it's a really mod, cool pattern. Then we've got a countdown, or just like days of the week. I love these bonus elements on the page too. Those are cute. We've got the black and white spider web. Oh, pink cats. Love that. Ooh, I like this pattern with orange. I love that. We've got the buckets with candy. Oh, and then we get the 2. See, I'm not sure what to call these, but in almost all paper packs, well, definitely in all from the Fairytale Club, you get full sheets, and then you get these that come with smaller pieces that you can then cut down and use. Halloween, the best time of the year, a magical holiday which takes place in October and consists of candy, costumes, cute and creepy decor, and endless childlike wonder and joy. That's so cute! Cute and creepy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited Wicked but sweet. Candy. I'm so excited to use this. And then this one we've got the witch again, book of spells, magic is real, trick or treat. It comes with some tags on it. Look at the kitty. Okay, and now let's flip it over and see all of these on the other side. Oh, it's that star pattern, but it's blue. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this kit. And you know what? I'll tell you honestly, Halloween's definitely not my favorite holiday. When it comes to holidays, Christmas is my number one, then Thanksgiving, and then like October because it's my birthday, a lot of family members' birthdays. Valentine's Day might even be before Halloween. Halloween is definitely not up there. But this kit is getting me so excited to do some Halloween crafting. Ooh, I love that geometric pattern. Here's the whole page. And that's orange, in case it was hard to see. Something else that I love about this kit is these strips on the bottom. So the paper that's on the other side of this is this pattern. But this is a smaller version of it, and I'll be able to cut this down and use this as a strip on my crafting. And I've done that a ton before. So if you guys get this kit, make sure that you take advantage of every aspect of it and trim those down because you'll be able, like I said, to use that on a project. Oh, we have orange hearts on a purple background. Oh, they're so cute. And see, like, Hello October, that would be really cute on something. We have the floral pattern, but with orange and white instead of black and white this time. Another really cool geometric pattern, black and white. Ooh, owls with hats. Oh, it's not focusing very well. But how cool. Ooh, then we have that same chevron, but with pinks. I love that. We have the mod pattern again, but with orange and black. And then we have a black and white stripe with blue corner. So you like those pieces right there. Be perfect on something. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, checking out this kit with me. I'm so excited to get started with it. Again, this is a subscription kit. I will put the information and a link in the description down below if you are interested. Please check them out. I love to use all of these products. They also have digitals. If you are a fan of digital items or are afraid you might not get it in time, you can totally take advantage of this kit, which I believe is fully available. Everything you see here, except for maybe like the flare and the paper clips, but pretty much everything else is available digitally. Make sure to also check out my Instagram feed because I will be posting projects that I work with using these awesome Halloween goodies on my feed. So check me out on Instagram at Sparkle Adventures, which is also in the description down below. Alright, thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you guys later. Bye!